it's Danielle, your Pampered Chef consultant, and I am on day 2 of my 2-week post a video every day. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, stop what you're doing right now and go subscribe, because you are going to want to see all these videos I'm putting out of all the awesome Pampered Chef products that will make your life easier. What if a hot breakfast was easier than pouring a bowl of cereal for your kids? Pampered Chef has made that possible with the Pancake blender bottle. I absolutely love this and use it multiple times a week. So you can make your homemade pancakes in just your blender bottle. That's the only mess you're going to have. I love it because the recipe is right on the bottle. So this is the recipe you follow if you want to make 12 pancakes, and this is the recipe if you want to make 6. I'm going to do the one for 6 just because that's all we need. All right, so when you're making them, that was really stuck. Make sure your ball is already in the bottle. So make sure you put that in first. That's what's going to mix it. So right here is our recipe. So right now I'm gonna do the milk. It says fill the milk up to this line. I like it too because they're homemade pancakes. They're not like Bisquick or in a box pancakes. Homemade anything always tastes better. And it makes it so easy. So I've got my milk to that line. Then it says you're going to put in your flour to this line. You have to do them in order so that you know the right measurements. The best part is this little measure cup comes off, so you don't even have to use measuring cups. It's all right here in the bottle. So I'm going to take it and fill up the flour until it gets to the line. Okay, see, we're there. Now it's a dash of salt. And the next ingredient is the baking powder. So you're going to use the scoop as your measuring spoon now, and it just calls for 1. Next is sugar. So I'm gonna put 2 of the sugars in. Seriously, can you believe it's this easy? So now when your kids are like, make me pancakes, you can. And it's super easy, and you'll still get done in time to send them off on the bus. A warm breakfast is always better in my opinion. And your egg. That's it. That's all the ingredients you need to make your pancakes. Then you're gonna stick your lid on. And my kids love to help with this part, so let your kids help cook with you, but then you shake. And they think it's really fun. So you're just gonna wanna push this back on so you don't shake it all over your wall, and you just shake it up. And the ball inside the blender inside the bottle does all the mixing. Okay, it's already shaken up. It's that easy. All right, now the part that I like too is it then becomes a pourer. So it has the spout, so you can just pour it right in. Okay, before I pour it in, I just wanna show you these other Pampered Chef products. These are the silicone pancake molds. My kids love them, and they think they're so fun for pancakes, and they have different shapes, and they just came out with Toy Story ones as well. Then this is, Pampered Chef has their own griddle pan, which is awesome because it fits right on your stove. It's not a big, huge, bulky pan that you have to plug in. It works perfectly. So I'm gonna pour, make sure you spray the insides of the pancake mold with your olive oil spritzer, because that will make them so that they don't stick. So now I'm just gonna pour the pancakes in each mold. You guys see how not messy this is? Sometimes I think whenever I'm doing like pancakes, it's so messy. Look how smooth it goes in, no mess. And now we wait. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is the amazing tools that Pampered Chef has to make your kitchen look nicer and easier, and they last forever. So ditch the old Walmart or whatever you have rusting in your drawers and get some nice kitchen tools. I don't know what else to say about that. Okay, here we go. I want you to notice how fluffy these pancakes are. Like, so fluffy. I cooked that one a little long because my husband was talking to me. Also, they're hot. I should have been using my grippers. These are what they recommend using. I would recommend it now because my finger kind of hurts. Yay. Look, we've got a heart, we've got a really overcooked star, and in a second I'll flip the triangle. Okay, so the pancake molds are really fun for the kids, but I just want you to, I would just want to show you how easy it is to just make regular pancakes. So again, you just pour the batter, and they're gonna get so fluffy. That's what I love about these. Okay, look, you just made homemade pancakes and your kitchen's still clean. That's amazing. And this is all dishwasher safe. So you just throw it in your dishwasher. That's the only cleanup you have. And you just made homemade pancakes in like minutes. So if you want to order the pancake shaker bottle or the griddle pan or the shapes for the pancake molds, and we also even have, these are called the powdered sugar shakers. I have one for powdered sugar and I have one with a mix of cinnamon and sugar, but they are amazing. So they just shake like that so that your kids aren't using an entire thing of powdered sugar on their pancakes. So if you would like to order any of these, you can order from my direct link below. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.